Hey guys, Alicia here. This video is going to be about another digital product that you can offer, and that is phone wallpaper, personalized. Now, I came across this idea because I was searching for a wallpaper for my phone, and I was actually on Pinterest, and I really couldn't find anything I liked. So I did get one, and I downloaded the picture, and I am using it, but it's not really something that I truly like. So it inspired me to actually look on Etsy, and sure enough, they are selling them. Now, before I get into the details of this video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about making money online. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my Make Money With Me online email list, I will leave a link to that in the description below. You will get so much more behind the scenes and insider information that way. And don't forget, the video previously before this one said what I was going to be doing and the new changes coming for 2019. So I'm going to be switching things up a little bit and also touching on some different topics besides Etsy. So let's jump into the video. So I am going to make a iPhone wallpaper, and I'm just going to do something sort of in between because it seems like every few months they keep coming out with a different iPhone. Now, they do have the dimensions for wallpaper online, but I will leave a link in the description below to the pixels, like what size they need to actually be for each different iPhone. So I'm just going to go with something in the middle, which is an iPhone 6S. So if I click here on Create a Design, the dimensions for that are 750 by 1334. So we're just going to click right here on New, and we're going to put the dimensions in 750 by 1334, and we're going to click Create, and here is our iPhone template that we can create. Now, before I really get into this video, I do want to say that the options are absolutely endless with this. I have seen these where people will make a save the date wallpaper, like somebody who's getting married, they'll put it on their phone. I've seen wedding dates. I have seen business logos. I have seen all sorts of things. And then I've also seen just plain personalized iPhone wallpapers. So this is going to be completely all digital. So once again, you can get as creative as you want with this. I have a lot of ideas, but for the sake of this video, you know, it would be so long if I actually, you know, made one that was just really in depth. I'm just giving you the sort of the idea here. So I'm wanting to add like a light pink glitter. Okay. And then I'm going to use one of my borders of watercolor flowers that I have. This one is just making it for, you know, anyone that just wants a personalized iPhone wallpaper. Okay, so I had to make that smaller just so I could see what I was doing here. Now let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter a name. And so I'm going to use just the name Mary. And I'm going to change my font. Usually I pause this while I'm scrolling through my fonts, but I already know the font that I'm wanting to use. Okay, now let's hope that this thing stretches. With some of these fonts on iPicky.com, you will have to pull and stretch by these little boxes like this. Okay, now you can also change the color of this if you would like. Let's see what I can come up with. Something in the blue family, light, like very light blue. Or slate blue. And I think I'm going to go with this. So this was just a simple tutorial. Now once again, you can use design elements. You can get creative as creative with this as you want. But this would be a 2-hour-long video if I, did do this that way. And then you're just going to save this image to wherever you need to save it. And is what you would want to do when you list this on Etsy is you would post a picture of it and then you would say, email me what you want it to say, and then you will email it back to them within 18 to 24 hours. So you will already have this saved, but you're going to have it saved without that name. You're going to have it saved just like this, whatever it is that you create. And all you're going to have to do is add the name and email it back to them. You have to remember, people are going to buy your design because they like the design itself. Now, I know this was quickly done, but this just is an example of how you can do it. So if you do have any comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification, because I don't want you to miss out on any future videos about making money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.